class, and welcome to week 7 of English 101 online. For this week in English 101, you will be finishing up working on your essay, your education essay, and you'll be submitting it later in the week for a passing grade. You will be submitting it through the assignments tab. So right now, I'm looking at the calendar tab just to tell me the week. And then I'm going to go to the Assignments tab, which is right here to the left on the navigation bar. I'm going to open it up, and when I open it up, I'll scroll down to the Education essay, and this is where you will submit your essay, just as you did your technology essay. And when you open it up, you will see the prompt and the information about what is expected for this essay. And this essay, of course, deals with education, education policy, who benefits from education, whether or not there's some groups that do not have access to proper education, and so forth. You'll be choosing one of the topics listed to write about, and of course, you'll be integrating some research with it. You will need to integrate at least 2 articles from the CCBC Libraries database, and also 2 articles from the Common Readings in the education module. So that's it for this week. And then once you've submitted the final draft of your essay, please make sure to begin the health module. That is the next module that we will be working on. I hope this video was helpful.